For decades, the partial skeleton of Australopithecus afarensis, known as Lucy, has been considered as the mother of humanity. His figure has appeared in school textbooks, documentaries, and exhibitions in Spain, highlighting its importance in understanding our origins. However, a new fossil find in East Africa is rewriting this narrative. Before continuing, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and give like to this video, so you can be aware of more interesting content about evolution and paleontology. A new study published in Nature magazine has linked an enigmatic fossil foot discovered in 2012 at the Bertel site with Australopithecus deyiremeda. This discovery suggests that this species could have a more important role in our evolutionary history than previously thought. Bertel's foot has been stored in the archives since 2012, and its disconcerting morphology has hindered its classification. Now, new findings of jaw and teeth have allowed this foot to be associated with Australopithecus deyiremeda, which coexisted with Lucy between 3.5 and 3.3 million years ago. The coexistence of two distinct species of hominids in the same region of East Africa raises the possibility that Lucy is not the key link in the evolution towards the genus Homo. Instead, A. deyiremeda, or even A. anamensis, could have occupied that crucial place in our evolutionary tree. Far from the idea of a linear evolution, the latest studies suggest a more complex panorama, with a mosaic of species that shared territories and resources. This approach is familiar to Spanish archaeologists working in deposits such as Atapuerca, where remains of different species have been found. This new study reinforces the idea that during the Pliocene, Africa was a biological laboratory where multiple hominids tested different survival strategies. A. deyiremeda seems to have a more frugious diet, while A. afarensis, Lucy's species, consumed more varied foods. The study has generated intense debate in the scientific community. Some experts believe that A. anamensis could be the true common ancestor, relegating Lucy to a lateral branch of the evolutionary tree. Others argue that A. afarensis remains the best candidate for its anatomy adapted to bipedism. Despite the solidity of the data, the authors recognize that there is still much to discover. Fossils of A. anamensis have not been found, and the possibility of hybridization between species cannot be confirmed. Evolutionary history is a network of adaptations and extinctions. This finding could change the way we communicate human evolution to the public. Instead of a central figure like Lucy, we could talk about a network of ancestors. This would transform our understanding of the human past and how we narrate our history. We are facing a turning point that can revolutionize the narrative about our origins. As in the case of Atapuerca, this discovery invites us to rethink our evolutionary history.